I'm in my painting overalls today, which I actually love because they're so comfy. I don't know if I can show you, hang on. They're like so comfy. And I don't even have any makeup on today. I've done minimal effort with my hair, but that is because I'm doing some decorating today. What have I done to my camera? That'll do. Yeah, we're doing some decorating today. I have been on a bit of a DIY, what's the word? DIY spree in my home. I've been loving watching home decor, DIY budget content on YouTube. I'm absolutely loving that, especially like other mums like me that are doing things that maybe don't have the experience like I don't. Yeah, that's the content I've really been enjoying watching, and I have been trying to get my house looking all nice, so I've been doing lots of different bits and pieces. I have been using chalk paint a lot, which is like the best thing ever. I've been doing a bit of DIY. I've learned to use the drill so I can put things up like shelves and things. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you what I'm working on today. I was going to say halfway through. I'm more than halfway through a project. I'm doing the downstairs toilet at the moment, and I have to finish that job. So I'm going to do that this morning. I have no kids, which never happens. But the two oldest are at school and the youngest is swimming with her grandparents. So yeah, I'm on my own, and Andrew's at work. So this is very rare that I'm on my own. There's loads of cleaning I could be doing. My house is like a mess, but I can do that with the kids around, and I can't get painting done when Autumn's here because she's 2 and she's into everything. So I'm going to crack on, get that done, and then I'll hopefully have time for a little bit of lunch before she comes back. She's only out for a few hours. But yeah, that should allow me enough time. I'm back doing Slimming World again. So it'll be a Slimming World lunch. It's a bit slow going actually. I've been doing it for a couple of weeks now and I've only lost like 1.5 pounds, which I'm a bit disappointed with because last time I did Slimming World, I had some really big losses at the start. I think I lost like 4 pounds the first week or something. And I was kind of expecting to do that again and I haven't. But do you know what? Decorating is pretty energetic. In fact, I don't have my Apple Watch on. I meant to put my Apple Watch on because I'm sure I burn loads of calories when I'm decorating. And I want to check. So I'm going to put my Apple Watch on. And then I'll show you what I've been getting up to. So first up, these are the fittings from my toilet. This is a grape one of my children has left. They started off in chrome. They were like, this doesn't actually show you very well what the colour was, but they were like really shiny silver chrome. And I had sprayed them with a matte black spray because that's the look that I wanted. I'm not very happy. I'm going to try and show you, but it's kind of hard. I don't know if the camera will focus enough. I'm not really, I don't know if you can see or not, but I'm not really happy with the finish that they've got. I don't know what happened there, if it's just like I've put on too much and it's bubbled, but I'm just away to sand them. And I'm going to give them another final spray and hopefully they'll come out fine because I'd like to get them put back up today. So we'll see how we go on with that. But like I say, I'm going to give it a sand and another spray. Right, I'm going to leave those to dry, see how they turn out, and I'm going to go and work on the rest of the painting in the toilet. So here is my bathroom, toilet, downstairs toilet, and the main issue that we have here is that it's so tiny. It's really hard to decorate in here because it's so small. So it started off this colour at the top, and this is, oh, hang on. And this is the colour I've been painting it, this colour at the bottom here. So that's the colour it was before. We've got really high ceilings here. And then I've been painting it this colour, which is French Chic Moon Whisper, I think it's called. No, it's not. Wolf Whistle, that's the colour. So I've been doing that on the walls. I've painted the woodwork with a white satin. And then this wall here, which I'll try and show you. It's going to be a bit hard because, like I say, the bathroom's so small. but this one I have done a, it's meant to be like a shiplap effect. I've still got some masking tape on here because I need to clean up the edges, but that is what I've been working on. I put this back up just to see how it would look, and like I say, I've got really high ceilings, and I'll try and insert a picture of the wallpaper that I wanted to put up in here, and it was like a shiplap effect wallpaper, but it was pretty expensive, and I thought I'd give it a go doing it myself. So I'll try and go a bit closer and see if you can see it better. But there we go. I don't know, might not be to everyone's taste, might not be to anyone's taste, but it's what I was looking for, and I'm quite pleased with it. And overall, I'm quite pleased with how it looks. So I'm going to finish painting in here. Like I say, I've got to finish doing this top bit. Over here I need to touch up some bits, go around the edges. So I'll get that done. I'm going to watch a YouTube video, well, listen to a YouTube video while I'm doing that. But this, I was going to show you here, this chrome light switch, that's what my fixtures were like before. This like really shiny chrome, and it's really nice, but I just felt like it didn't go with the look that I was going for. I'm going for like a kind of farmhouse, I was going to say farmyard, not farmyard, farmhouse kind of rustic look. This is where the toilet roll holder was before, and there was one over here, but I filled it in and hopefully you can't see it too much, but it's going to go back on there anyway once it's dry. So yeah, way to get painting. I'm back. I've got my hair clipped up out the way. I just spent about 10 minutes, not 10 minutes, that's an exaggeration. Oh, I'm not in focus at all. There we go. I just spent the last 5 minutes searching for my phone. As you might know, I was diagnosed with ADHD fairly recently, in the last year, and one of the things that I really struggle with is losing things like my phone all the time. And I just thought I'd say, in case you have ADHD, or if you just have a problem with losing your phone, the Apple Watch has the best feature. You can do Find My Phone, and you just press the button and it makes this noise, and it helps you locate your phone. And the good thing is that it works even if your phone's on silent, because my phone's always on silent, but it allows you to find your phone. So yeah, provided you're wearing your watch. If you forget to wear your watch, then obviously this doesn't work. Right, let's get painting. I'm going to set my Apple Watch to see if I burn any calories. Let's see. Here we go.
We've got the car. It is for racing. It is pouring down.
Excuse the state of me, I have just put on a hoodie because I've got the windows open for ventilation while I'm painting, especially with the spray paint on the fixtures. So yeah, it's freezing, so I put a hoodie on for a minute while I stopped. It's okay while I'm working, but when I stop painting, I soon cool down. I'm just having a drink of juice. I thought I'd show you, this is what I've started doing since I've been on Slimming World to make sure that I drink enough. I fill this in the morning with sugar-free squash, and then it just encourages me to drink all day because I don't have to stop and get the bottle out of the cupboard and make the squash from scratch, because it's all ready just to go. Now, I just got a message from my in-laws to say that Autumn got on great at swimming lessons, so that's good. And they're just having some lunch at a cafe, and then they're going to be taking her home. So I'm going to heat up some lunch. I forgot I had leftovers for lunch today. I made chicken fried rice last night, a Slimming World friendly, and I totally forgot that I had leftovers. That's a nice treat, so I'm going to have that for my lunch. I just thought I'd show you my Slimming World friendly lunch that I'm having. It is chicken fried rice that I made last night, obviously only fried with fry light, not proper oil or anything, and I used some chicken that I already had cooked left over from the night before's dinner. So I had chicken, we've got sweet corn, peppers, mushrooms, what else have we got? Did I say onions? And yeah, I think that's all the veggies in here. But your mushrooms, onions and peppers are all speed foods. Sweet corn I don't think is, but it is free. Obviously your rice is free, and I've added some soy sauce and a few chili flakes just to give it some heat. I'm about to go and heat this up in the microwave, and I'll add a little bit more soy sauce, and it's really filling and delicious. Might have a cup of tea with it, maybe a coffee, and then Autumn will be home. So that's where I'm at the moment. I'm going to finish off this by showing you the finished bathroom, not bathroom, toilet, downstairs toilet, WC, cloakroom, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so I'll finish off this video by showing you the finished look. This has just been like a little mini vlog. I hope you've enjoyed it. Yeah, I thought I'd just like ease back in gently with a few kind of like little mini vlogs like this. So yeah, that's all for today. I will hopefully be back soon with another little vloggy style video like this. If you enjoy this kind of video, let me know in the comments, because it's always helpful to know, and I will see you all soon. Bye!